Hey guys, this is your Blue Venom. So we are behalf of Millennia on board here. So right now I am at CF Moto Begapet here. So I am with my guy Pawan. So he is the sales executive, right? And he's Kapil. So he is the technician of all these bikes. So guys, we will explain you further what are these bikes, what are these featuring everything.
Up sleeves, yeah. 24 gets smile and merchants red eyes. Commas in his hair, and train with the same, but he ain't none. Ain't got black and letters on his fingers, pick up trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. You won't go flexing, boy, you get trouble. Oh, bad boy, messing with that boom, boom. Oh, bad boy, riding on that boom, boom. Oh, bad boy, bad boy, huh. Bad boy, bad boy, huh. Oh, bad boy, messing with that boom, boom. Oh, bad boy, riding on that boom, boom. Oh, bad boy, huh. Bad boy, huh. Din on that, 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 boom, boom. Din on that, din on that, din on that, din on that, boom, boom. Din on that, din on that, din on that, din on that, boom, boom. Messing with that boom, boom. Riding on that boom, boom. Din on that.
Hey guys, let me introduce you to the CF Moto, which is a Chinese manufactured vehicle, and this is the 650 NK from CF Moto, which is the most powerful vehicle which I've seen in this price segment. So this vehicle comes with an engine of 649.3 cc of maximum power, 61.18 PS at 9000 rpm, and the maximum torque of 56 newton meters at 7000 rpm. And so this is an BS6 variant, so you can see the body lines, how sharp and crisp are they are. And this is a 2-cylinder engine, so you can imagine how much sound this can be produced, even though it is 650cc engine. Yeah, and this is a petrol typed vehicle, so yeah, it is quite powerful. So where we come to the dimensions, so this has the wheelbase of 120 by 70 in the front and 160 by 60 in the back, all tubeless tires, and this ground clearance is like 150 of this bike, so which is quite decent. And this has a huge fuel tank of 17 liters, which is the most favorite part of mine. So you can see the logo of 650 NK, which is printed beautifully into the tank. Actually, I like the huge tanks because more petrol, more fun. We can do anything with the bike and all. As you guys know me, I go for the long rides. I need the petrol requirement a lot. So don't worry about this bike. This is ready for you anytime and anywhere. Where we come to the instrument cluster, this is a very decent digital instrument cluster, including odometer, speedometer and the gear indicator, and it also has the two modes called the rain and the sport, so you can control your bike wherever, whenever you want it. This is the blue variant of the NK650, which is absolutely gorgeous. You can see all the crisp lines over here and the CF Moto logo. And this comes with a dual channel ABS, including the 2 disc in front, which absolutely I have seen in Ninjas in this price segment. So the tail lamps are fully LED. You can see here how gorgeous are those. And this is NK300, which is the smaller version of NK650 of 292.4 cc of single cylinder 4-stroke liquid cooled valve engine, and this can produce the maximum power of 33.99 PS at 8000 rpm and maximum torque of 20.5 newton meters at 7200 rpm. The digital instrument cluster looks similar to the Duke 250, and as compared to the 650, this bike is quite lighter than that, so the weight also varies, and the fuel capacity is like 12.5 liters. And this is a sports naked super bike. As you can see here, it has all the modes like speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge system, tachometer, charging point and dual channel ABS. So you can see the hazard lights are also included in this. Where we come to the tire size, it has 110 by 70 in the front and the 140 by 60 at the back of tubeless tires, which is quite beautiful. And it comes with the alloy wheels, having the dual channel ABS, And where we come to the price and the sector, this is starting at the Hyderabad like 2.29 lakh, which can be varied at different cities and different parts of the India. So you can see this bike how crisp and clean, and every cuts of this bike reminds me about only one. So the manufacturers has been done a very good and crisp job in the body work, and I really love the glossy design of this bike.
So guys, me and Pawan are going to show the exhaust sound of the NK650, so you can know the sound, and you can compare with the Duke 250. So actually this is a 650cc bike. I actually think that this causes more sound than the 250. So let's see.